Namaskar dosto, good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are discussing about urethral strictures. For urethral strictures we have talked in detail regarding why a urethral stricture occurs, what are the treatment options, and we have talked about gonococcal urethritis. Today we will be showing you a live laser optical internal urethrotomy, a surgery where a urethral stricture has been treated by using a laser. And lasers are actually used because they do not cause any bleeding, and then the damage to the urethra is the least with the laser, and it also seals. So basically what happens is that with any cutting like an OIU, the sealing is not there, but with a laser fiber, when you are doing an incision, there is also a sealing of the tissue. So the damage to the urethra is the least with the laser, and therefore the results are very good. This is a patient who is young. He is due for his marriage. इसकी शादी होने वाली है, तो इनको प्रॉब्लम थी लेकिन डायग्नोज नहीं हो पाया था. सो he came to our center, Excel Advanced Urology Center in R13 GK1, and where we did an RGU. और RGU में RGU होता है retrograde urethrogram, जिसमें हम पीनस के अंदर डाई डालते हैं यूरेथ्रा में और एक फ़ोटो लेते हैं, एक्सरे लेते हैं, जिससे कि पता चलता है कि यूरेथ्रा ठीक है कि नहीं है. तो दिस इज़ द RGU, एंड इफ़ यू लुक एट दिस RGU देन देर इज़ अ नैरोइंग. अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो ये यूरेथ्रा नॉर्मल है, और ये बल्बर यूरेथ्रा है, ये पेनाइल यूरेथ्रा है, और प्रॉक्सिमल जो बल्बर यूरेथ्रा है वहाँ पे एक स्ट्रिक्चर है जो कि एक वॉल्व की तरह वाला स्ट्रिक्चर है, और उसकी वजह से ये पीछे वाला जो पोर्शन है वो डायलेट हुआ है. सो ये प्रॉब्लम है, और इसमें हमने आज आपको हम लाइव सर्जरी दिखाएंगे. द सर्जरी टेक्स अराउंड 30 मिनट्स ओनली, एंड इट्स अ डे केयर प्रोसीजर. आप सुबह आके घर पे अपने उसी दिन जा सकते हैं. एंड नाउ विल बी टेकिंग यू टू द थिएटर टू शो द लाइव सर्जरी. थैंक यू एंड बी विद अस. सो नाउ वी आर इनसाइड द urethra. We are using a 30-degree lens, and as one can see that this is the ring construction seen in the urethra, and this is basically the bulbar urethra. The part of the penile urethra was normal, and this is the proximal part of the bulbar urethra. तो जैसा हमने RGU में बताया था कि proximal part में ये जो white patches आगे दिख रहे हैं वो urethra है जो problematic है. So now this is the laser fiber. We are using a thulium fiber laser, a TFL laser, because it is the best laser for treating the urethral strictures. So there is an incision made at, ये हम ring को नीचे से खोल रहे हैं at 6 o'clock. So one can see that कि with the laser there is no bleeding at all, and it is precise. There is no blood, even a drop of blood is not there when we are doing an OIU using a laser. So this is the laser which is going to cut this part of the stricture, and as the laser seals the part when we are cutting, that is the beauty, that there won't be any injury per se. This will be, the depth of penetration is less than 0.2 millimeter. So it breaks this these lesions. So this is the white thing which is there, and once we have done it, we will be cutting the ring in the superior part at 12 o'clock. So that is the benefit, that it can cut in either way, whatever way you want. With a normal cold knife it will be just a 12 o'clock incision, and with a cold knife there can be bleeding. And this is a live surgery. We have not edited anything in this video, so it will take somewhat longer to, so please see the video in totality and then make up your mind that where you want to get the surgery done. And so it causes vaporization of the tissue, and in a controlled manner all of the fibrosis is taken down, and now one can see that we are slowly going towards the proximal part. This area is near the sphincter, यहाँ से यूरिनरी कंट्रोल होता है, तो इसीलिए इस एरिया में जो कट्स होते हैं उनको हमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिसाइज करना पड़ता है. सो द कटिंग नीड्स टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज, वेरी स्पेसिफिक, so that there is no damage caused to anything. So this all fibrosis, this all white part is cut by the use of the laser. So as you can see that there is no blood, there is no blood vessel, all the blood vessels are sealed as the laser cuts through it. We are offering a very economical price, इसकी कॉस्ट ज़्यादा नहीं है. हमारे सेंटर पे मॉर्निंग में आप आके ये सर्जरी करा सकते हैं और शाम तक आप अपने घर जा सकते हैं. So this is the area where now this is the area of the sphincter. So this was very much near the sphincter. So now this is the last things which we are now cutting, the last fibers, the last attachments. And then we will further open it a bit so that an 18 number catheter can be placed. So this is now the lumen is around 21 French. तो 21 French normal lumen होता है यूरेथ्रा का. हमने जब स्टार्ट किया था तो lumen was around 6 to 7 French only, and now it has increased to 21 French. So that is the beauty of this entire procedure. And now we are entering into the normal urethra. This is the part of the veru, the prostatic urethra is normal. So ये normal urethra है जो मैं बताता हूँ, pink urethra. This is the healthy pink urethra. So we have cut that entire thing, and the rest thing we always come back and see कि कुछ और there is no stricture left, and then they are also being vaporized, and then we come out. इसमें हम अभी आप वीडियो को पूरा देखिए, हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि फ्लो कैसा होता है. एक्चुअल फ्लो हम ओटी में ही बता देते हैं कि कैसा फ्लो रहेगा. सो वो भी उसके बारे में भी अभी दिखाएंगे इन द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. तो ये सब सो ऑल दिस हैज़ बीन डन. अब हम ब्लैडर के अंदर हैं. ब्लैडर में ट्राबुकुलेशंस हैं, grade 2 trabeculation है. So this is the entire urethra which has been now being treated, and normally ये 21 French का scope easily जा रहा है. And now this is, as you are pressing you can see the flow. So that's the flow after doing the surgery. Thank you.